Ben. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you a 7-step layer-by-layer beginner's method that isn't too hard. But if you memorize it, it'll give you a good foundation for learning a speed method in the future. So, first you need to know the pieces. First we have the centerpieces. The centerpieces have one color, and although they twist, they don't actually move positions. So you can't swap two centerpieces. Now for the edge pieces, have a double color, and they're located in the middle rows. The corner pieces have a triple color, and they're located on the corners. So now we can solve this cube. But first we need to know the notation. So if you see a letter, that means turn that side clockwise. For if it says so it's R for left, R for right, L for left, U for up, D for down, F for front, and B for back. But FI would mean the front side counterclockwise. A regular capital arrow means move it clockwise. If it has a 2, for example, F2, that means turn that face 180 degrees. So let's solve. So first, I've added these annotations on the screen. So now, so you can jump to the next step, or go back to the previous one. So now we're gonna make a white cross. So we have a white edge piece right here. We have to rotate to its correct face. In this case, it's orange. Then rotate the right side clockwise. Now it's there. Now we already have one there, but it's not in its right place. Opposite of that it needs to be opposite the orange one. So we rotate the front side 180 degrees, then rotate the bottom face clockwise. Now we rotate do a cube rotation like this, then rotate the front 180 degrees. Now we have a line. Now we have another edge piece right here. Rotate down. We rotate the left side down. Rotate the bottom face 180 degrees. Then rotate the right side 180 degrees. Now we have one more piece here. We can just rotate the left side counterclockwise or up. Now we have our cross. So now we need to solve the corners. So we need to have the white side facing up and find a white corner. Here it has red on the other side of it. Rotate to the red side. And we can't do this because we would mess up our white cross. So we have to rotate that back. Instead, rotate out of the way. The left side comes towards us. Rotate back, then rotate up again. Now we have one piece in. Now we need to put another piece in. here is one with green. Rotate to the green side. Now we have to place in that corner, like how we would. And then we have another one. Rotate to the blue side. And now the last one. We have to put it up so we can see it. Like this. Now we rotate to the green side. Then place it in. Now we have to do the middle edge pieces. So we need the white side facing back, far away from us. Find the edge piece without any yellow. Right here it's orange and blue. It's already on the orange side. And here's blue. And here's the blue side right here. And orange is on the top. Rotate the front away from our target. Rotate the left side towards us. Rotate the front back. Rotate the left away from us. Then, as you see, we misplaced a corner. So we place in the corner how we normally would. Now we have one piece in place. Now we find white side facing back again. Now we find another one. It's green and orange. Rotate to the green side. Rotate the front away from our target. Rotate the left side clockwise. Rotate the front back. And then counterclockwise. Then place in the corner. And it is now, we have the white side face back again. Here's it's a green and red one. We rotate to the green side. Do the same moves. Now we have only one more left. So, and it's right here. Do the same moves. So now we have the first two layers solved. Now we do the third layer. And for the third layer, we need to make a yellow cross on the, so we need the yellow side facing up, and you can have three cases. The first case is when you have one edge piece facing away from you and one facing the left. So if you have that case, do the algorithm front, up, right, up inverted, right inverted, front inverted. Yep, so you have to do that algorithm. And if you do that algorithm, you'll get this state. If the second case you can have is this case. You can have a horizontal line. So then you do that algorithm. then you'll get the L. Then you'll have the cross. But the third case is when you have a dot. If you have that case, do the algorithm 3 times. Now we're going to do the corners. So you can have 2 cases here. One is you can have 1 corner. Then you do this algorithm. It has to be on the bottom left. And do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted. So wait, sorry for the vertical. It's right, up, right inverted, up, right, up 2, then right inverted. Then you have a case that looks like this. If you have no corners with yellow facing the top, then do the algorithm twice. Now it's time to position the corners. So we have to find 2 identical corners. If you don't have any, then do the rotation twice. If you do, we'll rotate them to their correct face. And now, that will be denoted as the back face. Then you do this algorithm. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back 2, right, front inverted, right inverted, back 2, right 2, up inverted. Then you get all the corners in the correct position. Now it's time for the final step, positioning the yellow edges. You can have 2 cases. You can have no edge pieces in the correct position or 1. If you have none, you're going to do the rotation twice. Actually, wait, if you have none, you're going to do the clockwise rotation. And the clockwise rotation is, if you have one there, make sure it's facing the back and do this algorithm. For the clockwise rotation, it's front 2, up, left, right invert, front 2, left invert, right, up, front 2. Then you have solved your Rubik's Cube. If you need to cycle them in a counterclockwise order, do front 2, up inverted, left, right inverted, front 2, left inverted, right, up, you invert, up invert, front 2. Congratulations if you have solved your first Rubik's Cube. Now I have some other videos. I have a video on patterns, and I have a new series that's coming up called Let's Race, where you can race me and stuff. And thanks for watching. I was hoping this tutorial was helpful, and See you in my next video. Bye.